Hello my dear followers. Today we are making tomato salad with you. First, add hot water to a bowl of dried tomatoes and let it sit for 20 minutes. Now, let's prepare the sauce. Half a teaspoon of chili paste. A tablespoon of pomegranate molasses. Juice of 1 lemon. Half a teaspoon of olive oil. A teaspoon of salt. Mix it first. Close the lid and mix well. The tomatoes are nicely soft. Let's drain the water and move on to the chopping process. Let's chop the tomatoes. I cut them medium size. Where are you watching me from? Please leave a comment. If you like the video, you can support my channel by subscribing. Yes, friends, let's take the tomatoes in a deep bowl. Add 2 chopped green peppers, parsley, dill and 10 green olives on it. Add a teaspoon of thyme. Add the sauce we prepared. And add coarsely chopped walnuts. It smells good, mix it well and you can serve it. Hope to see you in the next video. Enjoy!